Welcome back. Goa Police has rejected Congress' demand for an anti-narcotic task force, claiming its ANC is not enough to tackle the menace. IGP says a separate task force is not needed as anti-narcotic cell of Goa Police is well equipped. Congress party is pressing hard for anti-narcotic special task force in the state following allegations of drug mafia, police-politician nexus in the coastal belt of North Goa.
With the present anti-narcotic cell, we cannot trust. The demand is that you form an anti-narcotic task force wherein you will have the members of Director of Revenue Intelligence, Enforcement Directorate, IB, Narcotics Control Bureau, and also from the prominent people from the NGOs and the political parties. There will be a vigil watch on the ANC also.
This is the demand from the Pradesh Congress claiming the Goa Police's failure to curb down drugs trade in the state. Congress says the Anti-Narcotics Task Force should comprise of the representatives of Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, Narcotics Control Bureau of India and other agencies. IGP Sunil Garg says there is no need of separate task force.
We have already anti-narcotic cell, which is more than a task force. We have sufficient staff there. More than 50 people, police personnel have been deputed in that, and they are conducting raid regularly.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
The Mapsa Sessions Court has made it clear to the rape accused Tarun Tejpal that the court is bound to dispose of the plea by 1st March 2015 as directed by the Supreme Court. During the hearing, court directed the defence side to present their arguments on framing of charges on next date of hearing. The court also directed the crime branch to give mirror image of the CCTV footage of Hotel Grand Hyatt, where the alleged crime was committed. The Mapsa Additional Sessions Court rejected the plea of Tarun Tejpal to postpone the arguments on framing of charge till the prosecution does not provide them clone copy of CCTV footage of the hotel. The court observed that it has less than 3 months' time to dispose of the case as directed by the Apex Court. The court has fixed 9 January for the defence side to present their arguments on framing of charges. Meanwhile, the court directed the crime branch to do all the needful to provide clone copy of CCTV footage of the hotel as early as possible. Prosecution has already concluded its arguments on framing of charges, but the court granted prosecution liberty to rejoin their submissions after defence side arguments. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.